Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today is card day and I am doing a money card today. I really needed some money cards. I didn't have any made, so I decided to make some birthday ones. This is the card that I'm sharing. It is a slimline card so that it fits money in here. I just stuck a dollar bill in here, and this is the sentiment. It's the best day because it's your birthday, and then I just have happy birthday on the front. But I love this stamp set. It's called Best Day. It's really a cute one and really fun. I wanted to use the birthday cake on this one this time, but it didn't fit. It was a little bit too tall, so I went with the adorable little kitty cat. I love this one. It's so cute. All right, so this is what I'm sharing. I made an envelope to fit it because it is a slimline, but you can use a number 10 envelope. They fit slimline cards. So when you buy your envelopes, just look for a number 10 on there and they will fit all the slimline cards. So slimlines are 3.5 by 8.5, a basic slimline. I've seen people do them a few other different sizes, but isn't it cute? I thought it was so cute. I hope you enjoy it. So we are going to make a different colored one this time. We're going to go with fresh freesia. So for the card base, you are going to use a piece that is 7 3/4 by 8.5, and you're going to score out 1.5 and 5. I already did that to get a little bit ahead of the game. And the stamp set is this one right here. It's so stinking cute, y'all. And the sentiments are adorable as well. And then I'm using the squares from the Stylish Shapes. And I am using these two right here, which I already cut out. I did one in Mango Melody and one in Fresh Freesia. So this one is 2 3/4 inches, and this one is 2 3/8 inches. We're going to mat this, and you're going to need one piece. Actually, you need two pieces, but I used two different patterns, one for the inside and one for the out. These two are 2.5 by 8, and then a piece for this bottom part, and this is 1 1/4 by 8. And then for the inside piece that goes in here, it's 3 1/4 by 8. But don't worry about all these measurements. You know I have an inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. You can print it and download it. All right, so I am going to scoot all this out of the way. We're going to stamp our little guy here. We're using Memento Black because we are going to use blends to color him. You know how much I love the blends, but you can color him in colored pencil. You can color him in anything you like. He's just so cute. All right, so we are going to stamp him. I'm going to just do it this way. And you do have to use your scan and cut or fussy cut these. It doesn't have a die set that goes with it. So I did use my scan and cut, and I have shown how to cut out stamped images on other videos. I'll try to find the one or two that I've done, and I'll link them in the description below. By the way, for those of you who don't know where the description is, just click on the title, and then there'll be a little more. You have to look for it, and then you hit that, and it'll give all the description. It gives you all the stuff I use that's not Stampin' Up. There's a bunch of information in that description. Okay, so I already did that with this little guy right here. So I sent it through my scan and cut, and we are going to color him, and we're using crumb cake for him. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Let's see if I remember this time. I almost forgot the other day. And you know how I'm so bad at this, remembering to zoom back out. I don't know what it is, but we're going to use crumb cake on him, and I'm going to color his whole body, his tail, and all that. We're going to shade it a little bit with the dark crumb cake. So we're just going to color in here. Again, you can color him whatever color you like. You can make him a tabby. You can make him any kind of cat you want. He's so cute. I love how plump he is. He's so adorable. I'm going to use this, and I think this is my older one. I always keep picking up this older one. So let me grab the other one. Yeah, this is my new one right here. It's so much better. Yeah. I need to just get rid of the old one and keep my newer one out. Alright, and now we're going to just shade him a little bit with the dark. And I'm just going to shade it where it shows there's a little bit of kind of fur here. And then we're going to just kind of blend that out just a little bit. You don't have to be super picky with this part. It looks so cute, just there. Alright, so we're doing a different color for we're going to use the Mango Melody. We're going to use this as our guide, because that's what I did on the other one. I used polka dots. I did Bermuda Bay on that one, and Granny Apple Green. But this one, we're going to use the dark Mango Melody. I'm going to go ahead and color his little balloon here. And then let's do the middle of his hat right here too, and some polka dots here. And then we're going to use the Fresh Freesia, and I'm using the dark, and we'll do his hat there, and then we'll do some more of these. I'm just making it all coordinate. And then I'm going to also use the light Mango Melody, and this is for his cheeks. I need the other side on this one. I've been gradually getting newer blends because I've had these since the beginning, and believe it or not, they last forever and they're so inexpensive. They're so worth it if you haven't tried them yet. Alright, and then I think I'm going to do a little bit of a darker, I think I'm going to do the Highland Heather, and I'm going to just do a couple other dots, do it a little, because it's got some darker in here. I think I might do a couple more Mango Melody too on there. And that's good like that. And we're going to leave the cupcake thing white, and then his little top thing white right here. So that is it for him. Isn't he cute? And look at, he matches his paper. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you back out. And then we're going to be ready to get this card put together. Alright, I'm going to do the inside piece first. And I'm just using my seal here, and this is gonna run out. I know I'm getting really low, so I may have to grab another one really quick. Let's get this centered. Alright, and on this part we're gonna go, let's go ahead and mat the front piece. I'm gonna use the little flowered side of this. So the paper that I'm using is the Dandy, I'll show it to you here in a second. So we're going to put this here. Ooh, I cut that too wide. Oh yeah, I did it 1 1/2. It's supposed to be 1 1/4. So I'm going to trim that up real quick. Okay, so I trimmed that up to 1 1/4. That's what it's supposed to be. And then we're going to mat that. And I'm using my 1-inch circle punch, which you don't even have to do this part, but I wanted a little bit of a notch taken out of there. Not too big, because you don't want it to show when you close up your card. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm using some tear and tape, and you're just going to run it on the ends here. And then we're going to remove the backings. Y'all, you need to make your own money cards, and it's so less expensive. They're so expensive now in the stores. It's gotten ridiculous. And then I'm going to put this one here. You can do either one. What should I do? Should I do this one or this other side? I think I'm going to do this side. put that here. And I try to keep these all even here, just so it looks more neat. And then our outside piece is going to be this adorable piece here. I love all the colors in this paper. And it is a pack that is free during celebration. Y'all, celebration's going to end at the end of the month. So for those of you who are new, celebration is when you spend $50 or more. You get to choose, for every $50 you spend, you get to choose a free product from the celebration brochure. And this is the paper right here. It's Dandy Designs, but it's a huge pack, y'all. If you spend $100, you can choose this, and I've had quite a few of my customers already order that, and it's really a good one. It's got so many patterns on it. It's just really nice. I'm going to use some Mango Melody, and I'm just going to do a little stamping on here with the little, I'm just going around the edge because you aren't going to see it all. And it's just little confetti, just to kind of dress it up a little bit. All right. Then I'm going to use some of my seal here, and we're going to attach these together, or layer them. This is the pack that I used for the other one, but none of them really matched that. So I'm going to use this baker's twine here. It's thicker, and it's going to look better. So I'm going to use this instead of the linen thread's really thin. So again, I'm just going to make a circle with this. I'm doing it like maybe 4 times. We're going to start by putting it on here. We're going to put that there, because you need it big enough to show behind the little kitty. And this one we're going to put right on that other spot right there. And this should be able to see this when you put it on. Yeah. Okay, we're going to put dimensionals on the back here. Spread that out just a little bit more to make sure it's behind there. All right, put that on. And then I'm going to do the sentiment, which I'm just going to do it on the back of here. And we're going to do the sentiment on the inside as well, because I'm just cutting this out by hand. Do that one. And then the other one we're going to stamp inside. You can stamp this before you adhere it on the inside, but it worked fine because it's pretty flat. So that's the best day is because it's your birthday. Let's cover this so it doesn't get my card all messed up. And then, whoops, he's not staying on there. I didn't take the backings off, y'all. Okay, wake up here. I wondered why, because the other one, it worked perfectly. All right, there we go. And then this, I'm just going to add a little adhesive to the back. And this is going to just slide under here. We're going to put it on, just add your adhesive here. And then you're going to lay that on the front. Don't put it on that very bottom because you don't want it to stick there. I think I'm going to shorten this just a hair. Like that. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Wink of Stella and put it on his bow tie here and his balloon. It's so cute. It just adds a little bit of sparkle and shine. And then I'm going to use the same pastel adhesive back sequins that I used on the other one. I used these pink, but I'm going to use the gold on this one. And we're going to add some of these. Makes it really festive. I wanted to be real cheerful because these are going to be going to some younger people. All right, so there it is, all done. And here's the other one. So which one's your favorite? I am always partial to Coastal Cabana, so you tell me what you like which one you like better. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.